Good day everyone, I'm Jacoby Ambos from BSc 2D. I will present to you the introduction of quadratic equations in one variable. So this is completing the square. So this is the third method for solving quadratic equations. If x squared plus bx is a binomial, then by adding a, b, or b over 2 quantity square, which is the square of half the coefficient of x, a perfect square trinomial will result. So x squared plus bx, then kunin natin yung half neto, half ng b. So magiging b over 2 quantity square. So i-add natin dito sa x squared plus bx plus b over 2 quantity square. Then, ipa-factor out naman natin itong a perfect square trinomial natin. Magiging x plus b over 2 x plus b over 2 So for the steps in solving a quadratic equation using completing the square, so to solve ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0 by completing the square. So for the step 1, if a is not equals to 1, divide each side of the equation by a. This makes the coefficient of the x squared term 1. So for the step 2, isolate the variable terms on one side of the equation and the constant term on the other side of the equation. For the step 3, complete the square and add to the half the coefficient of x to both sides of the equation. For the step 4, factor the resulting trinomial as a perfect square and combine like terms on the other side. And the last step, number 5, use the square root property to complete the solution. So, for example, solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 6x plus 4 is equals to 0. So, for the step 1, so since the coefficient is equals to 1, so hindi na natin siya So i-skip na natin siya. So magiging 1 na. So punta naman tayo sa step 2 natin. So i-isolate natin yung constant, ililipat natin siya sa right side ng equation. So magiging x squared minus 6x is equals to negative 4. For the step 3, complete the square. So, and out to the half. So, yung negative 6, yung kukunin natin yung half niya. So, magiging negative 6 over 2 quantity square. So, negative 6 divided by 2 is equals to negative 3, then square, so positive 9. So, negative times negative, positive. So, magiging positive 9. Then, i-add naman natin ito sa equation ng nasa left side and right side. So, magiging x squared minus 6x plus 9 is equals to negative 4 plus 9. So, solve natin ito. Perfect, ito yung perfect square trinomial natin. So, i-factor na natin to. So, this is the step 4. So, i-factor na natin itong perfect square trinomial natin. So, magiging x minus 3, x minus 3 is equals to negative 4 plus 9 is equals to positive 5. So, x minus 3 raised to 2. So, equal lang siya doon. X minus 3 squared is equals to 5. So, for the step 5, use the square root property. So, square natin both sides. Then, cancel natin yung square and yung square root. So, magiging x minus 3 is equals to, so, i-rewrite natin to as positive or negative square root of 5. Then, isolve natin to. Ililipat natin yung negative 3 dito sa right side. So, magiging x. Makukuha natin yung value ng x. So, magiging x is equals to positive 3, positive or negative square root of 5. Then, kunin natin yung, i-separate natin yung value ng x. Yung positive and negative. So, magiging x is equals to positive 3 plus square root of 5. So, yung negative sign naman natin. So, x is equals to positive 3 minus square root of 5. So, ang answer natin dito, so, the solution for this example for solving the quadratic equation is x. So, magiging 3 positive. So, ito yung positive 3, positive or negative square root of 5. So, this is our solution.